Thanks for logging on to ABC15.com. I'm meteorologist Iris Hermosillo. We are kicking off the day under a freeze warning for the Phoenix metro area, areas across southwest Arizona. We also have some hard freeze warnings too in our state this morning as temperatures are colder behind Monday's cold front that moved through. That cold air really settling in across our state and across our region, really. So temperatures this morning starting out really cold in the 20s to 30s. By this afternoon, still feeling chilly. Yesterday we reached that forecast high of 55. Today up to 56 degrees, so not much of a difference. If you had to wear that sweater all day long yesterday, you'll probably need to do the same today. 56 for a high in Gilbert, 55 in Ahwatukee. Peoria tops out at 56, 54 in Anthem today, and 56 in Scottsdale. Across the state, we'll see highs only reach the 50s in northwest Arizona, low 60s out in Yuma this afternoon, but that will be one of the milder spots. Temperatures will reach the 30s to 40s across northern and northeast Arizona areas along the rim and the White Mountains as well. For Flagstaff, even though temperatures will officially reach the 30s this afternoon, with the winds throughout the day, wind chills will still be in the teens this afternoon. Now, those winds not overly strong, certainly not as strong as what we felt earlier this week, but expect gusts in northern Arizona to peak near 25 miles an hour. And for the valley, look for light winds out of the west between 5 and 10 miles an hour. Then tonight we'll get cold again, especially in spots just south of the Phoenix area where we have more freeze warnings and hard freeze warnings that are in effect from 11 p.m. tonight to 9 a.m. Thursday. Now, that alert does not include the entire Phoenix metro, but some of our outlying valley cities could certainly see some freezes, so keep that in mind. 37 for a low tonight in Phoenix, down into the upper 20s by sunrise in Casa Grande, and we'll see overnight lows down into the teens and 20s across northern Arizona as well. As you look at those overnight low temperatures, by sunrise tomorrow, we could see that temperature below freezing in Queen Creek and the Santan Valley, so it might be a good idea to keep those sensitive plants covered again tonight. Maricopa, you're similar with that low of 30 degrees, and we'll see those lows in the mid-30s across the rest of the Phoenix area. Phoenix Sky Harbor cooling to 37 degrees tonight, but temperatures will be trending up soon. Even though we're going to start off cold tomorrow, tomorrow's high temperature back into the low 60s, and by Friday we'll reach a high of 68 degrees. We've got high pressure setting in to our west. That's going to warm us up even further into the 70s this weekend, but then changes early next week. We're going to be watching another storm system, and normally the track of that storm system really determines whether we get a lot of rain and snow potential or whether we see dry conditions with that storm system. Monday's storm really tracked just to our north and was dry by the time it arrived. This storm system, though, looks to work its way south and track right along that California coast, allowing that moisture to work its way in out ahead of it. And therefore, we've got a better chance for rain and snow across our state early next week. At this point, it looks like for the valley, we could see some scattered showers Monday night into Tuesday morning. Some snow along the rim too. Too early to be sure on those snow levels or snow amounts, but you're going to want to stay tuned as we get closer, as this could be a wetter storm system for us coming early next week. Temperatures in the 50s today, tomorrow low 60s, upper 60s Friday, 70s this weekend, and then getting cooler again next week as those rain chances return.